Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega until further notice. Gutire maandamano mangi riu magwitikirio in Nairobi CBD. Riu acting inspector general wa borithi Douglas Kanja akiragana na maandamano o mothe gutindikwo kana kuhanika guku Nairobi since mweri muhituku wa June. Kenyans makiria Gen Z makoretwo makiingira barabara demonstrate makienda President William Ruto eke changes in his government ta kuguithia finance bill 2024 na ginyagia maundu ta magufuta inspector general wa borithi na ginyagia cabinet yake. Mbeũ njithi makionekana guthie na mbere na riu marenda Ruto akorwo akieguta giti-ini. Mubunge wa Githunguri Gathoni wa Muchomba who took her time gukorwo explainira Gen Z why they need to demonstrate na kuregana na finance bill ya 2024. Riu ni akorwo akioya U-turn on the ongoing demonstrations. Gathoni encouraged the Gen Z hau gabere guthie na mbere na kururungana riria amataragiria maundu maria President Ruto ahithite in the finance bill ya 2024. Gathoni wa Muchomba explained to Gen Z why they needed to reject the finance bill thutha wake kuona maundu no gwakana marakana na Gen Z matigana kuguithia mendekithia mao. Riu ni acenjetie miario yake na guthaitha mbeũ njithi mahe President Ruto kanya akorwo agitabania changes in his government. Akira mbeũ njithi ati Ruto nionekanite ati ni aguithitie maundu maiganona maria hau kabere marendaga makorwo magicenjio. Gathoni akira mbeũ njithi ati hashtag ino ya Ruto must go kana demos ici cia Ruto must go riu ni ithiete na mbere na kuiga bururi handu horu. Akira Gen Z mahe President Ruto kanya kuona riu ni etikirite kwegutia maundu mamwe maria marendaga egutie. Gathoni akira mbeũ njithi matigetikire kunina bururi akiuga, and I quote, pushing out an elected president calls for anarchy and we can't take that route. I am glad the president has given into some of your demands. Well, as we agree on cleaning up the system and bringing change and accountability, that doesn't mean that we ban the entire country. I pray you give the president time to act on your issues and keep order. Ndeto itagutenderithia makiria. Make sure na turn on your notification wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu tucemanie in our